So, it's time to do some renovations, do some updates to your place, and you don't know how to begin. Let's talk about that because that's a common challenge for a lot of folks. MarthaStewart.com would tell you to focus on 4 major steps. Step 1 of the process would be to section it off. Think about the categories of projects and renovations you want to focus on in your house, whether that's bedrooms, bathrooms, your main bedroom and bath, the kitchen, the front yard, the backyard, your garage space. You want to put that into categories and sections that make sense, and then start to prioritize which one makes the most sense for you. You don't want to do a project because your mom and dad told you to do it, or something you saw on HGTV that may not make sense for you and your family. You want to do the project that aligns well with what you feel comfortable with, what you have the bandwidth and the finances to do, and what you want to take care of. And with that in mind, you want to just make sure that you're starting on the project that has the highest priority. For some people, that's the kitchen. For others, backyard is a disaster. You need to do something with the backyard. For others, you don't like your main bedroom and the master bath, and you need to make some updates to it. So start there. And then with that in mind, once your project is actually started off and you're doing everything you need to do, once you're done with the main priority and you have other renovations you want to do it in a logical order that makes sense. So adjacent rooms. If you're in the kitchen, maybe you move on to the living room, then the dining room space, then the bedrooms. Or if you're starting in the main bedroom and bath, maybe then you want to go to the guest bedroom or guest bathroom and work your way forward from there. But you just want to make sure you're not bouncing around. Have a logical progression, starting with something like the adjacent rooms to help you work through the renovation to make your time effective. Hopefully, those are some good tidbits of content and value that will help you out with your project. If you have any questions, I'll be leaving my contact info down in the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more little details and advice like this. But have a blessed day.